Simon's going out and exploring. Little campfire with some chairs. A young Simon exploring the world. We're here. This is just awesome. We made it out here and look at this scenery.
Over there in sun.
Oh my God. Look at this. Look how clear this water is. Okay, show me how it's done, Eli.
Got it, Eli.
Oh my God, it's so...
Jesus Christ, how are you so good? Oh my God, you're a pro rock skipper.
Dad, watch this.
Okay. Oh my God, that was a quick fiver.
I use these last ones. Oh.
Not bad. Oh my God, that was nice.
What is that?
It's all about flicking the wrist.
Do it on a napkin. Maybe triangles will touch better than a napkin.
Survivor Charlton. What's the problem?
No, like worn out. Try the napkin.
Hold up, it's smoking. You did.
Okay, we're at the marina now. You know, we drove to the other side of the lake and now we're just here to chillax and do our thing. We're at the dock here. At this little spot right here, got the nice view, you know, on this little hill here, you know what I'm saying? This side has better rocks. Yeah, I can just go like... We're on this little boat, you know, out on the lake now. I finally got the courage to come from the shore here.
Because you're a bot.
No,
And you didn't
no,
even
I'm a
get your
baby.
head wet.
I'm a baby, not a bot.
And you didn't even get your head wet.
Yeah. So we're all dried out on this thing, but now we have to swim back to the shore. It's gonna freeze our butts off.
Oh yeah.
But I think we just have to. I think we just have to send it and like totally just jump in. So we're out here now chilling in the kitchen area. Kitchen area, you know, got our little tea going, you know, and we're grilling some barbecue for tonight. You ready, Noah? You ready, Simon?
Drinking his beer.
Looking good. Got the hot dogs and the patties.
Tongs are very important. Tongs. Gotta have a drink. It takes a lot of beverages to make good barbecue.
Exactly. Someone caught a live lobster and they're grilling.
Take it out, please. Just take it out. It's already dead. No, I'm scared. No, it's moving.
It's your trophy.
You're gonna get demonetized.
Like one of those?
No, it's dead. Take it out. Take it out. It's alive. Look, it's moving. Take it out right now.
No, he's enjoying it. He's in the cold water all day. He wants to warm up for a bit.
It might be
He's
alive,
doing
but
Bachman
not for much
yoga.
longer.
Come on. But you know what? You caught it. You cooked it.
You eat it. Eat it.
It was all me. I ate 100 crawfish in New
Did you?
Orleans.
I'm out, man.
But the crawfish were like tiny. They were.
Oh, they were
like-
Eli size.
That's my game.
I wanted shell burns and wanted shell.
Eli, catch. Fruit Ninja, more like Pinecone Ninja.
Simon, I could just use your phone.
How do I just
Just put the end of,
Do I get the meat?
No,
yeah, just go like,
you
just
bite
go
it
like,
and you go.
I was telling you, there's nothing.
dude, is it good?
He's eating it.
It needs some salt and pepper. Yeah, dip it in some hummus.
Is it good?
Everything's better with hummus. We're like actually going through the wilderness now. Going to the river. Simon's about to take a leak.
You're actually doing it?
Let's see what this is about. This is a monumental event in history. Woohoo! That's cold. Just kidding, it's actually not that bad. I keep slipping on everything.
Yeah, the rocks are really good.
Like,
Welcome!
we're going on a hike to a fishing spot.
Man, I bet
What?
I can skip this rock.
On the ground. Oh, you got two. Finally made it out to the lake here, and wow. You know, I'm sweating and stuff, but like, dude, look at this. Dude, I'm ready to jump off of this little ledge here. Look, you can see fish. I don't know if it's catching it, but sick.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. That was awesome. That's dope. Yo, that's cool. Yeah, I know.
Those things are poisonous. I know they're venomous.
It's lunchtime for the
Right, you were
snake.
talking about like how it was scary that we couldn't see underneath us. Adam yells, "Water snake!" We're like, oh, and we literally just booked it.
Yeah.
So we got some steak, which you
Okay.
can't have, and
And
then
then you got more tri-tip.
yeah, we got more tri-tip.
And then we got more.
We got
We
some
got a
cake.
crouton.
And a
We got
broken
some
fork.
cake. I mean buns, or not buns.
Broken fork.
Yeah.
Some salad.
Yeah, and some salad.
Respectable.
No, I'd give it like honestly like a 8.
Solid 8. Okay, Simon. I have a question for you.
Yo.
How many times did you get stung by wasps?
7.
Okay. What were you doing?
Walking.
Where?
In the forest.
In the forest?
On a path.
Why did they come and sting you? Did you make them mad? Or were you just doing your own thing and they thought you tasted good?
Thought I tasted